Astragalus root is one of the most powerful immune-building plants on the planet. This adaptogenic herb helps to beat stress while also fighting disease at the same time. In addition to pumping your immune system, studies show that it's vital for cardiovascular health, and it can even fight off tumours and alleviate the symptoms of chemotherapy. Astragalus is a plant with a very long history as an immune system booster and disease fighter. Its roots are in traditional Chinese medicine, in which it's been used as an adaptogen for thousands of years, meaning it helps the body to fight off stress and disease. Astragalus roots are harvested from 4-year-old plants, and they're the only part of the plant that's used medicinally. Only 2 of the over 2,000 species of Astragalus, Astragalus membranaceus and Astragalus mongolicus, are used medicinally. Astragalus contains 3 components that allow the plant to have such a positive impact on human health: saponins, flavonoids, and polysaccharides. These are the active compounds contained in certain plants, including some fruit and vegetables. The saponins are known for their ability to lower cholesterol, improve the immune system, and prevent cancer. Flavonoids, also found in the astragalus, provide health benefits through cell signaling. They show antioxidative qualities. They control and scavenge free radicals, and they can help prevent heart disease, cancer, and immunodeficiency viruses. Polysaccharides are known to have antimicrobial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory capabilities, among other health benefits. In traditional Chinese medicine, the herb was hailed as a protector against stresses, both mental and physical. Astragalus provides health benefits to a number of body systems and ailments. Because of the tremendous success of so many research studies and trials, new information about astragalus is coming to light all the time. In general, its greatest strength is preventing and protecting cells against cell death and other harmful elements, such as free radicals and oxidation. Inflammation is at the root of most diseases, from arthritis to heart disease. It's often the culprit of the damage. Many studies show that thanks to its saponins and polysaccharides, astragalus can reduce inflammatory responses in connection to a number of illnesses and conditions, from helping to heal wounds and lesions to reducing inflammation in diabetic kidney disease. In terms of reputation, boosting the immune system is astragalus's claim to fame. It's been used in this capacity for thousands of years. A study out of Beijing displayed its ability to control T helper cells 1 and 2, and essentially regulate the body's immune responses. Most recent screenings have shown the success of astragalus's saponins, flavonoids, and polysaccharides in decreasing or eliminating tumours. In instances of chemoresistance treating liver cancer, astragalus has shown potential in reversing multi-drug resistance and as an addition to conventional chemotherapy, according to a study published in the Journal of Pharmacy and Pharmacology. The flavonoids present in astragalus are antioxidants, and they help prevent plaque buildup in arteries and narrowing of vessel walls by protecting the inner wall of the vessel. In addition, a 2014 study published in the Chinese Journal of Integrative Medicine suggests injection of astragalus combined with conventional treatment for viral myocarditis, which is inflammation of the middle layer of the heart wall, makes the treatment more successful in this condition. Other studies have shown its ability to reduce blood pressure and levels of triglycerides. High levels of triglycerides can put individuals at risk of many forms of heart disease, such as stroke, heart attack, and hardening of artery walls. During a heart attack, heart muscle damage occurs when there's a lack of blood supply and oxygen. At that time, calcium overload creates secondary damage. Astragalus may prevent additional heart muscle damage by regulating calcium homeostasis in the heart. Astragalus has been studied progressively as an anti-diabetic. Studies show its ability to relieve insulin resistance and treat diabetes naturally. The herb's collection of saponins, flavonoids, and polysaccharides are all effective in treating and regulating type 1 and type 2 diabetes. They're able to increase insulin sensitivity, protect pancreatic beta cells, which are the cells in the pancreas that produce and release insulin, and they also act as anti-inflammatories in areas related to diabetes symptoms. Kidney disease in diabetics is also a common problem, and astragalus has been used to treat kidney illness for many years. More recent studies in humans and animals have shown astragalus can slow the progression of kidney problems in diabetics and protect the renal system. Oxidation due to free radical damage is the main component in disease and aging, and many elements found in astragalus fight the free radical damage and prevent oxidative stress. The herb's polysaccharides have positive effects on the immune system and improvement of the function of the brain, both of which could lengthen lifespan. Because of its anti-inflammatory qualities, astragalus has a long history of treating wounds. Radix astragali, another name for the dried root of astragalus, has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for the repair and the regeneration of injured organs and tissues. In a 2012 study by the Institute of Pharmaceutics at Zhejiang University, wounds treated with astragaloside 4, an active ingredient in dried astragalus root, showed recovery rates increase 2 to 3-fold over 48 to 96 hours. It was concluded that astragalus is a promising natural product for anti-scarring and healing in wounds. Astragalus has been shown to help patients receiving chemotherapy to recover more quickly and extend their lifespan. In cases of severe chemotherapy symptoms like nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and bone marrow suppression, astragalus has been given intravenously and in combination with other Chinese herbal mixtures. Early research suggests it has the ability to reduce the symptoms and increase the efficacy of chemotherapeutic treatment. Because of astragalus's antiviral capabilities, it's long been used to treat common colds and the flu. It's commonly combined with other herbs like ginseng, angelica, and licorice. As with many other natural cold remedies, it seems to work better when used on healthy individuals who supplement regularly with it in order to prevent the illness before it happens. A regime of astragalus before the colder months of winter may help to prevent or decrease the number of colds and upper respiratory illnesses that the individual would have throughout the season. Astragalus has been used to treat chronic asthma and determined to be a successful supplemental therapy and an asthma natural remedy. After being treated, hypersensitivity in airways decreased substantially, and mucus production and inflammation were also reduced in the studies. By preventing or reducing asthma attacks, individuals could be relieved of chronic asthma issues. There's also evidence to suggest that astragalus can successfully prevent collagen degradation, help heal lung tissue affected by bronchopulmonary dysplasia in newborns, inhibit herpes simplex virus 1, prevent the replication of viruses like Coxsackie B3, which is a virus that triggers illnesses ranging from mild stomach issues to major heart complications, treat inflammation in allergic dermatitis, help treat hepatitis by inhibiting the hepatitis B virus cells in the liver, treat HIV by protecting T helper cells fight the virus for much longer, and also it can be used as a mild diuretic. Astragalus can be obtained in tincture or liquid alcohol extract. capsules and tablets, injectable forms for use in a clinical setting, topical for the skin, and dried to be used in tea. Astragalus is generally safe to use with no serious side effects. There's possible interactions with other herbal supplements, so start with smaller doses to prevent side effects. Women who are pregnant and who are nursing should not use astragalus, as some research indicates it may not be safe for pregnant mothers. People with autoimmune diseases should speak to the doctor before starting astragalus because of its ability to stimulate the immune system. Individuals with diseases like multiple sclerosis, rheumatoid arthritis, and other immune system conditions could be especially sensitive to astragalus. Astragalus can affect how the body reduces lithium levels because of its diuretic qualities, so taking astragalus with lithium can lead to unsafe levels in the body. Also, immunosuppressants. Drugs that suppress the immune system are commonly used to help prevent the rejection in transplant patients to accept a new organ or tissue. Because of astragalus's immune system boosting capabilities, it would decrease the effectiveness of these drugs. Astragalus root is an adaptogen in traditional Chinese medicine. It can help treat a large number of conditions. It can act as an anti-inflammatory, boost the immune system, slow or prevent the growth of tumours, protect the cardiovascular system, regulate and prevent diabetes and illnesses related to diabetes. It contains antioxidative and anti-aging capabilities. It aids in wound healing and it minimizes scarring. It alleviates symptoms of chemotherapy. It helps treat colds and flu. And it provides supplemental therapy for chronic asthma patients.